Hi, this is MD Abraham. Today I'm going to talk about what I have learned in week 5 software engineering. The week 5 software engineering, I mainly learned about software failure, software engineering, and professionalism. First, I learned about software failure. Software failures means that some software project does not achieve its expected result. For example, a project can be completed late. It can cost more money than expected. It may also have fewer questions than planned. Sometimes a software project can even be cancelled. There are many reasons why software projects can fail. One important reason is unclear or incomplete requirements. If the development team does not clearly understand what the customer wants, they may build the wrong system. Another reason is the challenging requirement. If the requirement changes many times during the development, the software can become difficult to manage. Another case is lack of user involvement. Users are very important because they can tell software what they actually need. If the user is not involved, developer may create something that doesn't meet users' expectations. Software projects can be still failed because of lack of resources. For the example, time, not enough time, money, people, or technical support. Also learn how to miscommunication and misunderstanding of requirements can create a problem. Because of this, it is important to understand the requirement correctly and beginning of a project. Finding problem early is also because fixing problem later can be more time and money. The second important topic I learned the software engineering. Software engineering is not only about the writing code, it is synthetic and disciplined way to develop a software. It includes planning, development, design, testing, maintenance, teamwork, and project management. A good software engineering should think about the whole project, not only the programming. Plan is very important. Good planning can help team to finish the project on time within the budget. The third topic I learned in the professional software engineering. A software engineering should have professionalism and ethically. A professional software engineering should respect other people. They should be fair to their team members. Uh, they do not do their work of best ability. They should also follow the law. Software engineering should think about the public interest. They should develop a software that is safe and useful for the people. They should also be honest with their clients and employers. Another employer important is with professional responsibility. So a software engineer should take responsibility for their work. They should try to produce high quality software. They should also learning uh, because of the technology changes very quickly. They should also continue to learning because the technology changes very quickly. Firstly, I can connect what I learned in this week to my software engineering project. In my project, I need to understand the requirement clearly before the developing system. I should communicate properly with my members. We should plan our work before starting our development. We should also test the system carefully to find errors early. Uh, we also need to behave professionally when working with a team. I should respect everyone's ideas, complete uh, task, and take responsibility for my work. So the week taught me that successful software development is not only about the coding. It's coding. It also needs clear requirements, good planning, teamwork, testing, communication, responsibility, and professional behavior. Thank you so much for listening. This is all for today.